Welcome to Coron Palawan. This is our first day of our nature adventure. Here is St. Augustine Church, the only Catholic church in Coron. The Makinit Hot Spring is the highlight of our afternoon tour, where you can enjoy an aqua therapy after a long haul flight and trek from Mount Tapias. The pool temperature plays between 37 to 40 degrees. What a bliss! Oh well, it's been a long day. We are ready for our dinner at Lobster King restaurant. And yes, we are hungry. All this food to share to end our day. Coron Palawan, you are amazing. What a wonderful place to visit. Please don't forget to subscribe at Lolita Body. Bye for now.